Hello, dosto. Welcome, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. सो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। एक बार फिर से आ गया हूँ आपकी खिदमत में एक न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। गेट लाइव, गेट वॉलेट, पॉइंटी drop CESS project review. So Chase wallet. So Gate will entail list, Chase network, Chase spot trading and launch hold their airdrop. So welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends. So उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। So welcome and thank you so much. So Gate will entail list, Chase networks, Chase and offer a limited time holder airdrop. User holding at least 1 GT can share 1.8818.182 Chase. So welcome to all of you my dear friends. Tokens free for free. The holder airdrop in exclusive user for GT holders after the Chase network. Chase airdrops concluded, no funds will be detected from participants. So click the join now button, my dear friends. So I will join now and you can see. So now go to the official page of this project CESS Chase. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So welcome my dear RS friends, welcome Shimulus, welcome Algate parents, welcome Inserts Coin my dear friends. So total airdrops you can see my dear friends 1.818.12182 Chase. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So participant is 10.621 per GT 0.3530. Welcome and thank you so much Chase. So trade now start है. You can see my dear friends. So increase GT, you can see increase GT my dear friends. So within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive by GT. So I have already balanced, you can see 3.53 GT. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. So project introductions. Chase networks service as a layer 1 recanalizations infrastructure for data values, offering a comprehensive solution that empower business, institutions, and governments to fully leverage the potential of the AI and RWA. Chase ensure secure data ownership, enforce data sovereignty, and safeguards user privacy. Its architecture is optimized for the AI era and the Web3 data economic. Nicholas Zetanzi, Italy. So Nicholas Zendatani, founder of this project. Welcome, Neto. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome. This is cute and heavy project. So you can see my dear Neto and join my live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome all gate user. Welcome Tharma Singh. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So Neklos Zeldastani is a second sound leader with over 35 years of experience driving success in large-scale organizations and IPO companies. Having witnessed the transformative evolutions to technology, he now plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of Web3 decanalization, data infrastructure, and the advertisements of value distributions and calculations of data assets. Nick explorations ability to lead and the intelligence and innovations and skills understand his community to building impactful future leading enterprise and the critical advantage of value distribution and critical of data assets. So highlight version, my dear friends, you can see the highlight version. Chess network is the first L1 decolonization data infrastructure with the unaffected story capacity. AI. Welcome all gate user, welcome insert coin, welcome Tonomi BD. Thank you so much. So add native support of RWA integrations. It has entire AI with data sovereignty and privacy sensitive data management for AI model training. Support RWA tokenizations and secure on-chain storage. 65% node damage. Tolerance, microsense data related decolonization, GEO financed by LBSS and low cost infinity storage service. Welcome all gate user, welcome Tommy BD, welcome Burke17, welcome all gate user, welcome Economic Crypto. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So join the live stream, my all dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, my dearest friends. Welcome, my dearest friends. So token economics, the main drives of token demands are number one, utilities. Welcome Skyfall, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, Skyfall. Utility of over product and service. Number second, adoptions of enterprise solutions. Number three, adoption of solution for governments. Number four, staking for nodes to run CESS R2S concessive maximize staking for nodes to become candidate concessive nodes. Staking for data storage nodes. Number 7, staking for retail and chase nodes. Number 8, network gas fees. Number 9, voting for community governance and DEO. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining. So technical overview. Now see the technical overview. Chase makers makes block productions and manage on-chain transactions with the Redum relaxation selection R2S concessive maximize and the ensures data availability and integrity thought insertive maximize like proof of data retablishes and recovery PODR2 proof of idle space POLS MDRC etc. So welcome our gate user again, welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my all dearest friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. So welcome. So now go to the highlight vision for this project. So welcome, my dear friends. So miner 45% unlock, 49% 24 within the first 48 months after minute launch, then hybrid every 4 year visiting over 360 month. Inflection nodes 5% unlock, 20% at listing, unlock 40% at minute launch, then 6 month clip liner visiting the rest over 12 months. Ecosystem and community growth. 12% unlocking, unlock 100% at listing. Core team advisor 12.5% after minute launch. Liner visiting over 72 months. Early backers 10% after minute launch. Liner visiting over 48 months. Foundation 10%, Unlock 20% at listing, then Liner visiting over 48%. Market development and liquidity 5.5%, Unlock 10 100% at listing. Welcome Natila, welcome Big Love, welcome Shakura 3434. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome the Nose. So now go to the risk reminder. So this is a important of this project. So the trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuation due to technical, legal, regulatory and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct significant market research. Before participating, Gate.io cannot guarantee that the currency will be listing on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on various factors and the official listing announcement shall prevail. By participating in the project, you accept and agree airdrops terms and conditions. So FAQ, how to participate in the holder airdrop. As long as your GT holding Gate accounts is no less one, you can participate and receive airdrops without locking. So number second, which account GT holding will be included in the calculation? The total GT holding in unified account, spot account, isolate margin account, copy trading account, boots account, financial accounts, and the payment accounts. However, GT in crypto loan and GT2 and are excluded. So how in your airdrops amounts calculated? Welcome, thank you so much. Walaikum assalam, Crypto Liu. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So Crypto Liu ने मुझे join कर लिया है. Thank you so much for joining. How are you, Crypto Liu? So बाकी friends किधर गायब हैं, Crypto Liu? So once you join the project, the system will track your GT holding, taking multiple random snapshot every hour to collect your average hourly holding. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the entire project period. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any rewards. Final token receipt, your average hourly holding, all participant average hourly holding, total airdrops amount. So what is the per GT? Per GT is the estimate value indicated the number of airdrop tokens you cloud received by the participating in the holder airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrops amounts and the GT holding of all participants and is updated hourly. So next one is, why are my holding count in different access accounts? The system uses random snapshot to calculate your average hourly holding. Depend on the when you join each project, the calculated average holding may vary. In theory, if your holding amount remains constant, your average hourly holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. Welcome the nose, welcome Anima, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Crypto Liu. How are you, Crypto Liu? Thank you so much for comments. Thank you so much, my dear. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much, Crypto Liu. Big love. Welcome, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you Gate user. Welcome Tonami BD. So what is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limit. You can check the details page on the event announcement for more information. So can I participate in multiplayer project at the same time? You can participate in multiplayer project. How will the airdrops reward will distribute? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within the 1 hour after the project end. You can check it anytime in Launchpool holder airdrops participation history. So this is a page of an FAQ, my dear friends. So now go to this project's official website. So thank you so much. Welcome Shani Trader, welcome Anima, welcome and thank you so much. So you can see the official page. Join the DCA airdrops to earn and subscriptions amount the CESS. Learn more. The decanalization data infrastructure chase regulations, AI, tickets, gaming, enterprise, and more with secure, transparent, and transferable data. Solution rivaling AI compared and the data infrastructure CESS enabling data privacy and stability with the eye focus on AI agent application and frameworks. So welcome, thank you so much. I am good, my dear. Thank you so much for joining Crypto Liu. Welcome, Master Q. सो क्रिप्टो लियो मेरे बाकी दोस्त मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहे कहाँ हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। सो वो कहीं बेहोश तो नहीं हो गए मौसम अच्छे की वजह से। बिकम अ नोट पेट फाइंडर नोड, so you can see the beautiful picture my dear friends. So you can see the Bitcoin logo and all there. You can see finance logo and many more. You can see RPC and this is a beautiful logo. You can see the website beautiful logo. And thank you so much for joining my live stream. So now go to the next one. 8258 storage nodes, 48.7 PB storage capacity, 48.7 PB validity space, 1 lakh addresses. Your data, your rights. Next generation decanalization data system. So custom data permission, chess free proxy re-encryptions technology enables secure data sharing among authority parties without relieving the data content, built-in resonance data bridge, and identity threat protections. Milliseconds data retrieved. Archive milliseconds level hot data access in a decanalization storage system with Chase CDN. Welcome Crypto Liu. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome all gate user. Welcome make 20 money. Thank you so much all gate user. So like and follow लाजमी करें दोस्तों जो भी ज्वाइन कर रहा है. Empower responsible AI will maintaining privacy. Train AI models with data from multiple secures with federated learning so sensitive data sets, privacy, achieve performance and security with your AI models. So now go to the next one. Location-based storage selections. Ensure data privacy with complex routing. Keep data within borders and easing national security concerns. Cloud-based disaster recovery. Chase. Welcome Crypto Louis again. Welcome agents. Welcome and thank you so much Crypto Louis. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. So the first decanalization storage standard. Welcome and thank you so much for joining protocol and standard. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome. Welcome and thank you so much. The first decanalization storage protocol standard solution. Unlock the true value of your data with CSSS decanalization data instructions, secure, scalable, and highly customizable solution designed for the future. Machine learning game RAWA government D6. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you my dearest friends. Welcome. So उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. So you can see the logo of this project and beautiful logo my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So seamlessly integrated Decentralization Storage Network, and CDN, the ultimate solution for dynamic data in Web3. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So you can see the Web3 service with Web2 performance. So this is a beautiful sites and you can see. So you can see ended ID, chases, scan, target, declare, SDK, DOCC, CDN, smart contracts, chase storage, chase public chain, AI link. So this is the you can see. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So जल्दी जल्दी आ जाएं live पे दोस्तों. Welcome to join my live stream. So anon ID, easily ID and provide bad actions. So CSS actions, modular blockchain explorer for the CSS network. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So we share a URL generated tools for the file storage and sharing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Sharing SDK, developers tools for CESS decongestions, cloud storage and contract delivery. So DEOSS, the first of its kind offering lighting, fast, secure and suitable for storage for large file, advanced privacy management, ideal for enterprise level user with the dynamic data storage needs. So CD2N, Chase CD2N, contract decongestion delivery network. Different enables scalable access to dynamic contract, high frequency data, database support with the advanced introduced fluctuated. Welcome, Allgate user. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, ZX Franklin. Welcome again. Asad, welcome. Crypto Liu. Welcome, Asad. Ullah Afridi. Welcome, Allgate user. Thank you so much. So smart contract, efficient smart contracts for the development friendly integrations, calling all borders. Shares storage, support large scale enterprise storage with requires permission management and user data privacy protections. Choose where your data and storage. Welcome Kaya07. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So CSS public chain innovation deepen L1 building to data value network with user favoriting. So Chase AI Benetter reverse credits empower announcement by ensuring user privacy and data coverage. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. Meet nodes. So join Chase network with global nodes. Utilize your ideal records for the fair rewards. Affidavits participants. You can see the storage miner for this. Total storage miners you can see 8258. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friend. तो लग रहा है आज मौसम अच्छे होने की वजह से मेरे सारे ही दोस्त बेहोश हो गए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग असदुल्ला. वेलकम अगेन क्रिप्टो लुई. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है. तो मुझे लगा शायद कि बेहोश हैं और अभी तक कोई नहीं आया. इन्वेस्टर Evren Capital, ABC, welcome Crypto Princess, DWF Labs, Matters, AGG Capital, and many others. So you can see Chase Game Developers the freedom to build application and user contact. Welcome, thank you so much for joining my live stream. तो लगा तो यही था क्रिप्टो प्रेसेस, क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं आ रहा था लाइव स्ट्रीम पर, और टाइम देखें आधी मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम हो गई है और आप लोग अब आ रहे हैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पर, जबकि मैंने टाइम बताया हुआ था कि मैंने किस टाइम स्टार्ट करनी। Degeneration identity is not possible. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. With Chase, and Chase offer perfect complete ecosystem for over degeneration streaming platform. So welcome to all of you. So now go to the next one, my dear friend, Chase block. You can see the Chase block. Degenerations compute in the AI era. Chase tutor space. Deep in buffing. Deep in capital hill fly in and briefing. EP3233 International Stand Launch Meeting Innovations. So August 30, 2024, 9. So you can see this is all blog. So this is all partner of this project. IEE, Digital Assets Cases, GBA, Blockchain Association, Web3 SA, Web3 Foundations, Partner Network in Trial, Vertical, Rotate, Chain, Cash, Sub Wallet. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. Welcome to all of you. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. Welcome my dear. Welcome Crypto Prince. Welcome. So Crypto Prince भी आ गए हैं, कोई मसला नहीं. Crypto Princes. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So I have already had entire partner Polkadot chain and sub wallet. Quartz Roam, Bickless, Match Chain, Android, SFT, Bubbling, and Outlick Labs. So milestone and roadmap. You can see my dear friends. So 2029, 2019, 2022, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, now 2025, and 2026 and 2027 and 2028, 2029. So launch maintained 1.0 per version, CDN maintained version 1.0. So launch, release Chase AI link components, release Chase degenerations cloud storage data network version 2.0. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, मैं आपकी लाइफ में ही था, लेकिन आपको पता है लुका छिप भी खेलना पड़ती है. सो इसलिए कि दो लाइफ एक साथ हों तो फिर आपको पता है कभी इधर तो कभी उधर. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो कोई मसला नहीं, कल आपकी लाइफ बोर नहीं होगी एक आधा दिन के लिए. So get the latest Chase contract strategy to your inbox. Please enter your email. Yes, I agree to receive email communication from Chase. So this is a website, my dear friends. I will show home, and this is the all future of this. So now go to the technology. Technology. Welcome and thank you so much. Crypto Louis, thank you so much. You are new streamer. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Princess, welcome and thank you so much for joining. Luka Chupi, Crypto Princess. Community driving data value network, integrating D storage and CDN, offering data, economic, infrastructure, polling storage recurs into a unfilled pool, ensuring authenticity, data integrity, security, and degenerations consortiums. So welcome Crypto I, Crypto Leo, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining and support. Always support you, my dear friends. So crypto is my all friends, crypto and crypto. Thank you so much. So all crypto ने आते ही रौनक लगा दी. So मैं काफी देर से बोर हो रहा था. So अब मैं नहीं हूँ बोर. So welcome and thank you so much. और टाइम से आ जाए कर नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम में ऐसा ना हो, नहीं तो फिर मैं गायब हो जाऊंगा. So proof of data, publications and recovery. Ensure. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join. Ensure the security, integrity, and the availability of data. Proof of idle space, validity space, sort the generation of ideal files. Proxy, reinterpretations, technology, secure the calculations of data. Random, rutilations, selections, dual randoms, generated declarations. So, crypto prince, क्रिप्टो मैट बुक नज़र नहीं आ रहे मुझे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस हैं, क्रिप्टो मैक नहीं नज़र आ रहे. यस यस क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, यू लाइक दिस चोकोस. सो आपके तीत खराब करने के लिए काम आएगा. थैंक यू सो मच एंड एंजॉय द चोकोस. प्रूफ ऑफ द डेटा, redeployment and the recovery, PODR, adapting data reflecting and the redeem challenge maximize. So you can see the picture of a storage node T. This is a black block. You can see the map of this proof of data. Proof of idle space, POL, idle files and generated in a stock priority inputters, direct accumulation graph and the verified sort random challenge. So this is a map of this. V0, V1, V2, VK1, VK. So you can see the graph of this. Proxy re-encryption technology. Parrot. Parrot enabled the sharing, calculations, and transfer of data ownership among users without the disclosures data proxy. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for the juice. Yes, my dear, I have enjoyed the weather, lassi, and Dahi Balle. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So today I will enjoy Dahi Balle and lassi, not cold drink. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. So Crypto Prince, क्रिप्टो मैट बुक नज़र नहीं आ रहे मुझे, उनको भी कहें वो भी आ जाएं लाइव स्ट्रीम पर. सो यू कैन सी ए encrypted PKAM. So this is the file and log. So RK and B. So this is a double five copy file to the next one. And CB re-encrypted RK and BKCA. So this is a copy file. This is a sharing of encrypted file. You can see the file of this. वेलकम माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. सो आ गए हैं क्रिप्टो आई. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम माय डियर फ्रेंड क्रिप्टो आई. सो मेरी लाइव के सबसे सगे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे ज्वाइन कर लिया है क्रिप्टो आई. रैंडम रोटेशन selections R2S validators related based on consensus node scores with the top 11 becoming next rounds. Validators excluded and the verifiable random functions BRF to produce blocks. So शाइनिंग स्टार भी नज़र नहीं आ रहे. क्रिप्टो आई आ गए हैं. सो क्रिप्टो आई शाइनिंग स्टार का भी पता करवाएं किधर रह गए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो क्रिप्टो आई आ गए हैं. अब रौनक और भी हो जाएगी. सो काफ़ी मेरे दोस्तों ने रौनक लगाई हुई थी यहाँ पे. तो अब उम्मीद है रौनक ट्रिपल ट्रिपल हो जाएगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो आई जब आते हैं सो दिल खुश हो जाता है क्योंकि वो मुझे देते हैं हमेशा गिफ्ट एंड गिव बिग गिफ्ट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने दी हैं विशेष. मे अल्लाह ब्लेस यू विद अ ग्रेट सक्सेस. So thank you so much for the best wishes. and best ever comments. Thank you so much. So always you best comments. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, for joining and live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining. So this is a picture of block. You can see the chase designed for the efficiency, secures and scalability. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. वेलकम, गुड जॉब. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो आई for joining and appreciating me. Thank you so much. Welcome and thank you so much. So Chase application, the share, the cloud, Chase skins. So interface, CLI, RPC, API, SDK, service, DOCC, Light Gateway, DOCC. Third party applications, Teleway, Account ID, more. CASS AI Agent Hub. You can see the graph of this. Chase protocol suite. Thank you so much, CryptoEye, for the gifts. You can also send me gift. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much. Crypto I thank you so much for the red hearts. You can see Chase protocol suite, content, decanalizations, delivery network, my dear friends. So thank you so much for joining. Delivery network layer, CND node, CND delivery, CND node catcher, CND node catcher. You can see the all of this is a graph, beautiful graph distributed storage secures layer. XESS AI protocol suits Chase AI link. So now go to the next one. Documents. Thank you so much for joining in live stream. So welcome and thank you so much. So community and the videos and welcome and thank you so much, my dear friends. So enterprise, the shares, DOCC. You can see the decanalizations storage. Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Object storage service, fast data processing and sharing online, secured supported, massive storage, 100 box, packets accounts, DEOSS lights, quick experience, so normal use port mods. Thank you so much, my dear CryptoEye, for the send me red heart. Thank you so much for joining. And thank you so much for the beautiful heart. Thank you so much, my dearest all friends. Thank you so much, Crypto Liu. Again, welcome. And thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So, DEOSS Pro following service menu thought HTTP to fully experience. Set up your own gateway. Welcome and thank you so much, our dear friends. Base environments. For the depend and unbuilt families and legion system, for the Fedora, Red Hat, and the contact families and ecosystems, firewall setup. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So now go to the next one, future. You can see the high availability, the proof of data replications, and the recovers maximized with the multiple data backup ensure data integrate the tired process of the hot war and the cold data. Thank you so much for the flower. CryptoY, thank you so much. Adult Cell, thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. So high security, access key ID and access key security. Security are used for the segments agreements to authority and authenticate requests. Scalability each accounts can manage up to 100 buckets and each bucket has no space limitation providing massive storage capacity. User-friendly interfaces support zeroed operations carried, read, update, deleted online and real time sharing and flexible file managements. So privacy managements user have fully converted on the data. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Choose privacy. Share it with the specific privacy of the make it completely public. Data ownership. You have the exclusive control of your data and of ownership, included the ability to delete it and without instructions. So welcome Shining Star. Thank you so much for Shining Star joining my live stream. So क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस की लुका छुपी चल रही है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो चलते हैं इसके वाइट पेपर की तरफ. सो ये है इसका वाइट पेपर हाजिर है आपकी खिदमत में. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर शाइनिंग स्टार फॉर द सेंड मी गिफ्ट. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने अभी तक कोई गिफ्ट नहीं लगाया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. क्रिप्टो प्रिंस भी आ गए हैं. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंस क्रिप्टो मैकबुक को भी उठाएं और उनको भी लेकर आए लाइव स्ट्रीम में. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. So introductions. Welcome to the CESS Document Center. So introductions. CESS the first organization's data information with the L1 chain, infinity storage capacity and the attend AI. In the section we providing high level overview on CESS, its technology, technical highlights and a few use cases on using CESS. For this introduction and exploring more about CESS technology, we invite you to delving into a white paper. Should you have any inquiry, please don't assets right out. So this is the introduction. So now go to the next ones. 5WS 1H about CESS. In the article, we explored that what's, when, why, we are, where, who, and how of CSS shedding light on the core future benefits and the imports. What is CSS? CSS is the world first decentralization data infrastructure built with the aid on layer 1 blockchain designed to support infecting storage capacity and enable Ethers AI. AI its core chassis is a blockchain powered by decentralization cloud storage network incorporated with the native contact organizations deliver network CDN. It's allow users and their creators to store, share, and monetize data on chain, while providing builders with to the tools to developers and the scale deep apps with the case. Thank you so much, my dear Shining Star, for the best comment. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Crypto Princess, always for you. Chocos. Thank you so much. So आप मेरी लाइव पर आके इतने प्यारे प्यारे कमेंट्स करती हैं, मीठे मीठे, सो इसलिए आपको चौकोस हमेशा आती हैं ताकि आपके तीर जल्दी ख़राब हो जाएं। What is CESS? CESS is the world first decentralization data infrastructure built with the aids on layer 1 blockchain design support and storage capacity enable that AI. AI its core CESS at is a blockchain powered decentralization cloud storage network equipped with the native contact decentralization deliver network D and CDN. It's allow user and creators to storage, share, and monetize data on chain while providing builders with the tools to deploy and scale DS with the case. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Thank you so much. So Crypto Princess shining a star. Shining star आपसे Crypto Princess ने कहा है वो I am good but I am नाराज. तो नाराज किस लिए हैं? वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. यू आर ग्रेट मैन शाइनिंग स्टार. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. क्रिप्टो आई जूस लेकर आ गए हैं. सो आज जूस की बरसात होगी. चेस ऑफर्स ऑप्टिकल वेब थ्री नेटिव सॉल्यूशंस. Solution for managing high frequency dynamic data delivery unmatched performance for application in AI, gaming, enterprise and beyond and artificial insurance. Data servants, user privacy and fair value. Distribution of digital assets. As a public blockchain, Chase combine and distribution storage system with milliseconds level data relative speeds thought its high performance CDN. It's also unlocked new possibility for AI innovation by leveraging secure and propagating Web3 protocols in a digital world overwhelmed by the interoperability. CESS emerging as a groundbreaking solution. Secure, scalable, and the Ethereum Alliance to the restore control and trust in how data is stored, shared, and utilizes. When did the story of the CESS begin? The journey of CSS began in 2019, driven by a global team of inventors from the UK, USA, India, China, Hong Kong, UK, UAE, and Argentina, united and share versions to reshape to digital worlds or team brings together deep expertise and cryptography, distributed storage, and computer silence. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining my live stream. Fueled by youthful engineer and community and to meaningful import, we the set out to build technology that challenge conventions and refines the future of data from day one. Our missions and been clear to leave a lasting mark on the digital landscape, thought, innovations, exclusivity, and the ethical advancements, one breakthrough at a time. Why Chase? Chase is the first time enterprises grade decentralization storage infrastructures purpose built for the large scale high performance Web3 application is empower user to store their data. वेलकम थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो मैकबुक. सो क्रिप्टो मैकबुक ने भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया. थैंक यू सो मच. हाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक बहुत शुक्रिया आपका लाइव स्ट्रीम में आने का. Welcome you Kim. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So Chase delivers the optimized Web3 negative solution. Welcome and thank you so much for joining. Native solution, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So storage, more transparent distribution, data value, it all protect user privacy, ensure data coverage and support to wide range of user cases from AI and gaming enterprise and government service. Welcome, thank you so much to MacBook and Skyfall. So बाकी फ्रेंड्स मेरे गायब हो गए या बेहोश हो गए कोई पता नहीं. Built on deep and decongestion, physical integration, network model CESS, integrated the global developments of network nodes, ensuring both scalability and the releasing thought board physical decongestion technology CES is compatibility with the both EVM. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Introduction Access ecosystem, its reports become blockchain forming supports cross-chain and cross ecosystem application make it powerful and flexible foundations. So why choose Chase? Here why choose Chase is the right choice. Location based storage selection. Chase enabling completions avoid data routing, ensuring sensitive data remaining within the national border. They support data localization policy and the address national security context make it ideal for enterprises and governments. So now go to the new future of this project, my dear friends. So this is welcome and thank you so much. So Gate Wallet, Bounty Drop, join the Chase network airdrops and share 50,000 Chase tokens. So Gate Wallets Bounty Drops is a one-stop hub that caters that most popular airdrops projects, offering user a fast-track entry into initiative tasks. User can easily browse the latest airdrops projects, view project overview, the introduction projects, process participation, time forms, and the directly access projects. Page thought task links to participants. User can enter the bounty drop platforms thought Gate Wallet and freely participants in incentives tasks for the version projects, increasing the chance of the getting airdrops rewards. So new airdrop launch Chase Network. Chase Network is a global leading decongestion storage infrastructure that leverage blockchain technology to enable effective data storage and calculations, ensuring data sovereignty and the privacy for user will driving the large scale adoptions of the Web3 in commercial applications. So join now. You can see join now. So I will show the this web page. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So gateway to Web3, Gate Wallet to the only Web3 wallet you gateway to Web3. Gate Wallet Bounty Drop is live. All day drop stocks is one place. So you can see the I will gates. You can see the I will already. Welcome and thank you so much. So I can join and connect the wallet. So Gate Web3 wallet unlocked the full protocol of Web3. Trade your favorite tokens, contact the multiplayer blockchain and explore the best DEF all in your Web3 wallets. On the one-step center of integration generation investments, enjoy positive income with just a single click. Airdrops. Be the first to receive the airdrops for the latest tokenization release. Wallet Center Swap Task Multiplexes offer the step interpretation, analyze trades and history, swapping of tokens across different blockchains, tasks, shortcuts to discover airdrops in the Web3 world anytime. Thank you so much, Darkwit. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook. Thank you so much for joining, Rotoba, Gate user, and thank you so much for all my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Task DApp browser over 10,000 plus trading DApps efficient with the second rate inserts real-time executions based on market movements. Why choose Gate Web3 wallets powered by Gate complete autocumulative shameless experience single interface overview. Gate Web3 wallet, your Gate Web223 trading tokens. Exit trading token trade on DEX in hand with the future and on all AI shameless. Web3 wallets. Welcome and thank you so much. So you can see the DEX, all tokens. You can see the, my dear friends. So this is the Web3 exchange. Gate wallets, your Web3 toolkit. Explore Web3 like never before. Unlock wallet swap, task, airdrops, DFs, all AI Gate Web3. So this is a wallet. You can see the converting safe and advanced declaration wallet supporting multi-chain functions for the easy management of your all address and assets. Level up your Web3 journey with the Gate now. So you can join the Gate now and the welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So now go to the back page. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So event time June 17 to July 16. Reward share a prize pool of 15,000 chase tokens. After the events end, 2,000 participants who have completed all tasks will be randomly selected to share 50,000 chase tokens. How to participate in the airdrops task of chase networks? During the events, all integrations must be the complete using your Gate wallet EVM chain address complete and verification. All tasks to be eligible for the airdrops rewards. Welcome back Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining live stream again. So Crypto I ने भी हमें join कर लिया है. Thank you so much for joining again and again, my dear friends. So hold assets worth at least 10 USDT for the agreements in Gate wallet across all chains. Follow Chase Network on X. Join the Chase Network Telegram group. Join the Chase Network Discord. Browser the Chase Network event page. RT Chase Network tweet. Like Chase Network tweet. Download the Gate app. The top Web3 Inter 20 drop view the wallet homepage banner or the discovery page to participate. Additional notes. All tasks must be verified during the event periods by clicking verification to the count as valid verifications. Any task not verification during the events periods will be considered. Purchase rewards can only be claimed once of the same user participations. Thank you so much, Gate user, for the comment 666. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome, Gate user. Thank you so much, CryptoY, for the flower. So, number two, reward can only be claimed once or if you the same user participant with the multiple wallets address. Rewards will be given to the wallets address eligible for the highest rewards to ensure fairness. All rewards distributed with the undergrow platforms review to prevent sibling attacks if multiple address from the same device participants. Reward will be randomly given to the one eligible address. Number 4. Gate wallet receives the final interpretation rights of these events and any participant's funds engaging in dishonesty of cheating will be disqualification from the receiver rewards. So risk warning projects in bounty drop and blockchain startup that and are still in the early stage. These projects may carry significant risk in terms of the operation, technology, and regulation underlying blockchain startup, and ensuring this integrates risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge. The project participates in might show relationship validity and is the price increase and decrease is significant due to versions factors including technology, regulatory, and the market condition. There is a possibility that you may not be able to fully particle withdraw from a project due to issue related to the underlying technology of the gate platform. Cryptocurrency projects carry high risk and the price is highly valuation. The project does not providing any generated price access or break even guarantees. Please ensure you are fully understand and are capable of bringing the risk before participating. The platform storage warning of the risk and cannot access responsibility for the components or any investments. So Gate team, June 17, 2025, Gateway to Crypto, trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action, stay connected, and transparent security. So now go to the official projects. So Gate Live, Gate Wallet, Bounty Drop, and Chase Network. So airdrop details, holder airdrop details, ending time June 26, 2025, 8 UTC, totally supply 1818182 Chase. Unlocking rules 100% unlocking. Trading start June 26, 2025 8:10 am UTC. Trading pair Chase USDTs. Participation rules complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT to share the total airdrops. Pool. Based on the GT holding snapshot preparations, the maximum participation limit for the each user is this emails 3000 GT. How to claim the airdrops? Login in and claim identity verification. Go to the launch mode, select holder airdrop, hold at least 1 GT, click join now. Holder airdrops FAQ. So about Chase Network. Chase Network service as a layer 1 recognition infrastructures for data value, offering a comprehensive solution that empower business solutions and the government fully leverage to potentials of AI and RWA. Chase insurance secure data ownership, enforce data stability, and the safeguard user privacy. Articles is optimized for the AI era and the Web3 data economy. Token names Chase, token symbol Chase, maximum supply 10.000.000.000, token type BEP20. Token ID, you can see the token ID, token distribution, rate IO, unlocking rules, miner. So I have tell about this is all future of my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much. So miner 45% unlock 49.24 within the first 48 months and after mainnet launch. The Halbert every 4 years visiting over 360 months influxers nodes 5% unlock 20% at listing unlocking 40% at mainnet's launch. Then 6-month clipping liner visiting the rest over 20 months ecosystem community growth 12 months unlocking 100% at least core team advisor 12.5% after mainnet launch liner visiting over 72 months early backers 10% after mining launch liner visiting over 72 months early backers 10% after mining launching visiting over 48 months foundation 10% unlocking, 20% at least their liner, visiting over 48 months, market developments and liquidity 5.5 unlocking, 100% at listing. So this is a website and white paper I will show already, my dear friends. So GateLab investment disclosure. GateLab did not investments is Chase Network. Chase Networks not Gate tokens. Gate GT in the unique exchange. Tokens of Gate exchange and the native tokens to Gate chain. Public change whole GT now and GT. Please complete the identity verification before participating in a startup to ensure the security of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to the relevant rules of the events when participating. Any cheating behavior in probability enhancing of the any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any discrepancy occurs between the translated and the original English version, the English version shall permit Gate.io receiver all rights the final explanation. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access the service, including participating in this event, game, or the competition. See the user agreement for the further details on registered location. So this is the risk warning. So this is important for the project. So now you see the risk warning. Welcome, all my dear friends. The number one holder airdrop project is the blockchain startup and is the style entire stage. The project operation underlying technology on the legal environments may pose significant risk. Number two, the project teams does not guarantee that the token price will be is not lower than its sale price. Please invest with the caution and does not invest beyond your financial capacity. Number three, the holder airdrop project is still in style entire state factors, including the operations and underlying technology of the project and the other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Number four, advanced technical and the finance knowledge in the required to the understand and the evaluate the inverted risk of the crypto assets investment. Number five, the market volatility is high and the price of the token might fluctuate due to technical regulatory and the market factors. So Gate team June 25, 2025, gateway to crypto trade over 3.600 cryptocurrency safely and quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now, stay connected and transparency and security. सो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो ये था आज का प्रोजेक्ट जो गेट लाइव फॉलो की तरफ से आया था. गेट वॉलेस बॉन्टी ड्रॉप चेस प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू जो मैं आपको दे रहा था. सो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो ये था इसका ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट जो मैंने आपको दिखाई. ऑफिशियल पेज था, फिर मैंने उसके बाद आपको ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट भी दिखाई इसकी. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So this is the official website for this project. So this is the overview and white paper I will show you, my dear friends. So welcome to all of you. So thank you so much for all my dear friends. Crypto Eye, Shining Star, Crypto Princess, Crypto Prince, Crypto MacBook, Crypto Leo. तो सब दोस्तों का शुक्रिया जिन्होंने आके मेरी लाइव पर चार चांद लगाए और कमेंट्स करे इतने प्यारे प्यारे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड सो अब आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के साथ. सो तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें दोस्तों. कल होगी आपसे नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ मुलाकात. सो अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स.